Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'll show you how to delete LinkedIn account. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up LinkedIn app. Make sure you have successfully logged in your account. So tap on profile on top left corner. Now again click on view profile. Here you can see gear icon on top right corner. Click on it. Next, it will show you this kind of interface. Now tap on account preference. So here scroll down until you find close account. Click on it. Here if you want to delete your account and you are sure about it, tap on continue. Now here you need to give reason why you want to delete your account. Let's say I have a duplicate account and tap on next. Now enter your password. As I haven't created my password yet, so first of all you need to create your password, and if you have already created your password, then enter your password and then tap on done. So this is how you can close your account on LinkedIn. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.